guys, welcome to Yoruba channel. And again, this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my channel and also share to family and friends. Also like this video after you are done. If you love this video, I'm sure you're gonna love it because today we are doing sounds and rhythms. What I say, sounds and rhythms. Yeah. My last video, I did what they call the do re mi. I teach you guys how to play do re mi to those sounds. But this time around, we are doing sounds and rhythms. I'm teaching you guys some rhythms and the sounds in the talking drum. So today I'm going to teach, tell you again how talking drum is that normally sounds is do re mi. That's the leaders. There's no fa la, no, there's nothing like that. It's only do re mi. Yeah, do re mi. So today I'm going to teach you do re mi first. Let me recap so that I can, for the first timer. So this is re, 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 mi, 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 mi. For you at the first time, and this is how you drum your do. And this is your re, re, re. And this is your mi, mi, mi. Re, mi. So now I'm gonna teach you rhythms. Rhythms is just like adding all this do. You can even do it yourself, like do re mi, re do, do re mi re do, do re mi. That's how it is. So first of all, let me try mi do, mi do, mi do. So relax, just squeeze